Hey, welcome back to the garden. Today I'm going to set up a grow bed with reusable material, and hopefully I can show you that it doesn't have to be expensive to set up a grow bed and you don't have to buy a brand new one. You might have seen this sorry state of scrap wood before in my previous videos, and now it's time to clean this place up and make a grow bed. Before I made the new grow bed, I first cleaned up the spot where it was going to be. After about a year of neglect, I got rid of the old pallet, put the soil in a wheelbarrow and removed as much weeds as I could. So now that the designated place is a little bit more cleaned up, it's time to construct the grow bed and connect the corners of the frame together. Now these are some old support beams from a roof that I've gotten for free, and this is some heavy duty material that will last me for a long time. Alright, let's get this baby set up. If you're constructing a wooden grow bed like I am, then there are several ways of connecting the corners. If the planks are not too thick or you have long screws, you can directly screw them together. Although, truth be told, perhaps not the strongest construction over time. Another common way to create a solid frame is to put a wooden block in each of the corners and screw the planks to that. In my case, I have some metal angle brackets that will probably be enough to hold the frame together as well. Alright, that is the frame pretty much done. As you can see, really easy to construct. Normally, it would be ready to be filled up with soil as it is right now. However, if you've been following me for any amount of time, then you know I have a vole problem, which means I need to make this bed vole-proof first. And we're gonna do that by adding some hardware cloth to the bottom of it first. There, that's all done. I really hope you don't suffer any gopher or vole problems, because it will save you a lot of headaches in the garden, but it will also save you a lot of time and money if you want to combat them. Now, before we move on to the next step, now is the time that you might want to consider making your grow bed a little bit more waterproof by coating it with linseed oil, for example, or another non-toxic varnish. I won't be doing that with this grow bed over here because these beams are thick and heavy duty and they won't be rotting away for some time. If you want an extra barrier against sprouting weeds, then you can lay down some cardboard before you put down your grow bed in its final location. This will stop new weeds from growing up your bed, and the cardboard will decompose over time. By that time, you will have snuffed out most weeds that might have endured in your soil. Alright, the grow bed is constructed, we've put it in its final place, we've laid down some cardboard, so now it's finally time to fill it up. Now you don't have to do this completely with new premium soil, that would be pretty expensive. Instead, you can fill up the lower half with all sorts of biodegradable materials such as leaves, cardboard, sticks, maybe even logs if your grow bed is high enough. I'm going to fill it up with some cardboard, with the old soil that used to be here, and also the hop plant that I took down in my previous video. And then I'm going to fill up the upper half of the grow bed with some new compost and some new soil. And that's how you set up a cheap and easy to make grow bed with some reusable materials. And I'm going to use this grow bed to grow a lot of herbs. Now maybe I have piqued your interest and you want to set up your own grow bed as well, but you're wondering, why would I use a grow bed in the first place? Don't worry, I've got you covered in this video where I discuss the pros and cons of using grow beds.